Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 6. Home Minister Amit Shah's statement about the requirement of one language to unite India and drive out foreign languages has sparked a row. He was speaking on the occasion of Hindi Divas. He said diversity of languages was a strength of our nation, but there was a requirement of a Raj Bhasha. Opposition leaders from the south have demanded that Amit Shah take his statement back. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced measures to boost exports and the housing sector as well. For home buyers, the government has set up a stress fund of Rs 10,000 crores for completion of stalled projects. However, the fund will not cover the projects affected by NPA and NCLT issues. The government also announced Dubai-like mega annual shopping festivals from next year. Pakistan Army raised the white flag to retrieve the bodies of its dead soldiers after the Indian Army responded to ceasefire violations by the Pakistani side. Sources in the army said that the bodies of these soldiers were recovered as they are Punjabi Muslims, while those soldiers from other parts of the country are allegedly treated as cannon fodder. Home Minister Amit Shah announced that the BJP would be celebrating the Prime Minister's birthday as Seva Saptah. Towards this, Amit Shah and BJP Working President JP Nadda, along with senior BJP leaders Vijay Goyal and Virendra Gupta, reached AIIMS today and swept the floors there, interacted with cleaning staff and reached out to admitted children at the hospital. Prime Minister Modi's birthday is on 17 September. Construction is underway in full swing in Assam's Golpara, where the country's first detention center for illegal immigrants is being set up. The premises will have 15 four-story buildings, 13 for men and 2 for women. The center will have separate toilets, a hospital, kitchen, dining area, recreational center and a school. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry has sent a notice to Viacom 18 stating that a serial being aired on Colors TV was hurting the religious sentiments of a particular community. The notice said that the show Ram Siya Ke Love Kush was harming the image of Maharishi Valmiki and showing distorted history, due to which a particular community has threatened countrywide protests. Uttar Pradesh ministers will start paying their own tax, ending a 40-year-old practice ensuring that the state exchequer would shell out the amount for them. The UP government decided on Friday that this provision enacted by law will be scrapped after media reports highlighted this perk. Several ministers said they were not even aware of this benefit that they were receiving. Multiple drone attacks at a major Saudi oil refinery caused a massive fire that has now been controlled by the state-owned Saudi Aramco Oil Company. However, the extent and target of the damage is yet unclear. The attack on the world's largest oil processor at Abqaiq was claimed by Yemen's Houthi rebels. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.